Nylon, the synthetic material that revolutionized both fashion and warfare. Originally designed for everyday use, nylon quickly became a crucial element in the war effort during World War II. But how did this material, once used for stockings, end up in military gear? Our story begins in 1935, when Wallace Carruthers and his team at DuPont Laboratories in the United States invented the first synthetic fiber nylon. This groundbreaking material was strong, flexible, and more affordable than silk, which had long been used in clothing and various textiles. By 1939, nylon was introduced to the public, primarily in the form of women's stockings. Nylon stockings quickly became a sensation, promising durability and comfort. But this wasn't the end of nylon's journey, it was just the beginning. When the United States entered World War II, the demand for raw materials skyrocketed. Silk, which had been imported from Asia, was in short supply due to trade disruptions. The US military needed a strong, lightweight and durable material to replace silk in crucial items like parachutes and ropes. Enter nylon. This versatile synthetic fiber quickly found its way into military applications. Nylon was used to make parachutes, ropes, tent fabric, and even parts of military uniforms. Its strength and resistance to wear made it ideal for the harsh conditions of war. Nylon's contribution to the war effort was invaluable. It not only replaced silk, but also allowed for the production of more robust and reliable equipment, helping soldiers on the front lines. After the war, nylon returned to civilian life, but it was no longer just known for stockings. The material had proven its worth on the battlefield and became a symbol of innovation and resilience. Nylon's success in both fashion and industry paved the way for a new era of synthetic materials. Today, nylon is everywhere, from clothing to automotive parts. But its journey from the lab to the battlefield remains a fascinating chapter in the story of innovation. From fashion to warfare, nylon has truly shaped the world we live in. If you enjoyed this look into the history of nylon, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stories from the world of science and innovation.